In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import passwords to 1Password. Let's get started with this process, which will help you seamlessly transfer your saved passwords into 1Password, keeping everything centralized and secure. First, you'll need to visit the 1Password dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your 1Password account homepage. This dashboard is your primary control hub where you manage all your vaults and entries, so familiarity with it will be helpful. Once you're at your dashboard, take a look at your vaults. Vaults are essentially secure storage spaces within 1Password where your data is kept. They help you organize passwords and other sensitive information. Navigate to the vault you would like your passwords to reside in. Once in the correct vault, locate the settings icon. This little gear icon is your gateway to various customization and import options for that specific vault. Clicking the settings icon will reveal a menu, and here you should select the option Import Data. This will lead you to a screen where you can import your saved passwords from various sources. Although 1Password supports imports from a variety of places, today we're going to focus on one common option: importing from Google Chrome. After selecting Chrome as your source, get ready to see a prompt indicating that an export option will appear. This is where you'll initiate the password export from your Chrome browser. With this export window open, click Continue. This will guide you through some import preparation steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose the correct vault for these passwords. Select Choose Vault from the available menu options, which will bring up a list. Just make sure you select the correct vault you prepared earlier. Double checking to ensure you're working in the right vault can save you time down the road and help keep your information organized. After confirming your selection, hit Continue to move forward. The next screen will offer you a Select a File button. This is where you will select the actual CSV or compatible file that holds your exported passwords from Chrome. Navigate to the file on your computer and upload it here. With your file uploaded, click Continue once again. This will finalize the import process and populate your selected vault with the new information. As a final step, you can click on View Imported Items to ensure everything has transferred correctly. This view lets you double-check the accuracy of your imported passwords and manage them further if needed. And there you have it. Your passwords are now successfully imported into 1Password, and you can enjoy the convenience and security of having them all in one place. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep those passwords safe and secure by using a trusted manager like 1Password.